Hello, everyone. This may be the first time that you've participated in an online discussion, and I'd like to give you an example of one in answer to our first discussion, which is called Your Favorite Elvis Debut Song. The goal is to listen to two of Elvis's early songs, Heartbreak Hotel and Blue Suede Shoes, and pick which one you like best. Then you're going to write your answers in a text box below on the page and also respond to your peers. We read about these two songs in our article just before this discussion assignment called Elvis 1956 to 58 Commercial Breakout and Controversy. So I'd like to show you the original album that these two songs appeared on. Blue Suede Shoes and Heartbreak Hotel were on Elvis's very first debut album, which I actually have. This was an album that belonged to my uncle, and he sold records in his basement. So this is a special memory for me. To complete this discussion, go to Module 1 and then go down to Discussion. And it's entitled Your Favorite Elvis Debut Song. So listen to Heartbreak Hotel and Blue Suede Shoes, and then decide which one you like better. You can clap and sing along if you like. For example, my favorite song is Blue Suede Shoes. So I'm going to play it here and sing along to the first part. And it goes like this.
Well, it's one for the money, two for the show, three to get ready now, go, 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 but don't you step on my blue suede shoes. Well, you can do anything but lay off of my blue suede shoes.
Okay, I'll end that there. So then you go down to the text box below and write your reaction. This is what I wrote, and you can write this on a paper first if you like. I like Blue Suede Shoes because it has a strong beat and a catchy tune. I like to clap and sing along. It also makes me feel like dancing, which I often do. I also feel connected to my favorite uncle, whom I got the original album from. So you can also write details like whether it reminds you of a special time or a special person or a circumstance. So after you write your reaction, scroll down to the bottom of the page and copy or write your feelings about the song you picked. Click on the box that has the word reply and has an arrow. If you're not the first to write, you'll see the reactions of your peers. And I'd like you to react to at least two other classmates and their reactions by typing in the text box under their names, and discover why they picked the song they did. And compare or contrast any common or different reasons why you picked the same or different piece. And have fun.